Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Mackenzie Nelson if you are new here, and right now I am in Lima, Peru. I wanted to start this vlog off with two things. One, a very fun story time about what happened my last few days in Cusco. And two, that it is 4th of July in America right now, which is our Independence Day. So happy 4th of July, everybody. I decided I was gonna wear a 4th of July inspired outfit, of course, red, white, and blue. All I have is this burgundy, but it'll do. Jeans and a white. I might be cold, so I might change jackets, but I want it to be festive, of course. This is only my second time missing 4th of July while being abroad, so it's kind of weird, I will say. I see all the festivities happening, I see all the parties happening, and I do want to be there. But moving on to the story time, I got my phone stolen, which wasn't fun at all. I was out on a night. I actually filmed an entire video on my phone of like a walking tour that I did in Cusco. It was really cool, learning about the city. And then I went out with a friend and we tried alpaca meat and these burgers and everything, and I was really excited about this video actually, and it was like the first time I've ever filmed like a full video on my phone. But besides the point, we went out later. It was about like 1:30 in the morning. Yes, I was a bit drunk, and I stepped out of the club. I texted my sister, put my phone back in my purse. I remember zipping my purse, and then we walked literally a block, like around the corner and a block down to the main plaza, and I went to take out my phone for another reason or something, and I realized it wasn't there, and I started panicking. I started freaking out, and I was like, this cannot be happening. I started running back, trying to trace my steps, like make sure I didn't drop my phone, make sure it wasn't at the club, and I just couldn't find it anywhere, and I accepted that it was gone. The whole next day and my last day in Cusco, which was yesterday, I spent the whole day at the police station looking at security footage of the city, going to this market because I found my iPhone and I saw it was at a market. So me and this police officer were like literally looking around the market like we were gonna find the person who had my phone, and we just accepted that it was gonna be basically impossible to see it. And I'm really upset about it, and I'm not upset about losing the phone, but the past 2.5 months of me traveling and photos and videos were on that phone and were not backed up. I am kicking myself. I literally am so mad at myself that I didn't back that up. I back up everything I film right away all the time onto like 3 different platforms, but I just didn't think to back up my photos, like just my everyday photo, and I'm so mad that I didn't. I'm praying that when I go back to the state in a few days and I get a new phone and I put in my SIM card and I log into iCloud, that they're gonna be there. I'm really praying that that is true, but for the time being, I've accepted that the photos are gone, and I'm really sad about it. All I have is what is on Instagram and what my friends could send me, and it's not the phone that I'm upset about. I could easily get another phone, and you know, with that privilege I am grateful. It's the photos that I'm really upset about. And so this is your reminder that even if you're not traveling, just back up your photos all the time. And I knew I should have. Like, I literally had Google Photos downloaded, meant to like take the time to do that, and just never did. And I could have easily put them on my hard drive that I work with. I didn't. I just didn't take the time to do that. Sorry, that was a really abrupt ending to my story. The cleaning lady came in to clean the room, and I didn't want to, like, she was singing, she was having fun, so I didn't want to interrupt her. Just came to a cafe and called my sister, had a coffee, had some lunch, and right now I'm gonna get my hair cut because it'll be like 4 times the price if I do it in California, and I'm about to go home, so I decided to save some money and get it done here. I did pick a good salon. I really hope it turns out good because I'm getting something a bit new. I want some like layers. I want just a small trim, but then some layers, and I want like curtain bangs. I've had like really light ones before, but I want like more this time. I don't know. So it's either gonna turn out really good or really bad, but I think it'll be fine. But I'm about to go there now and get my hair cut. So I am back from the hairdresser. I don't even know what to say. I'm actually so upset. I thought that I liked it for a second, but now that I really look at it, just very, very light curtain bangs in the front that taper down, not just chopped off, and then like some layers. The rest of my hair looks great. It feels really smooth, and it hasn't felt like this in such a long time. It feels really nice. And she cut off all the dead ends. Perfect, great. Oh no, I feel like, oh god, it's not even even. It's not even even. So I have a friend at the hostel, and she's traveling for a while, so I'm gonna text and ask her if she has a straightener. For the time being, I'm gonna embrace that I look silly. Oh my god, I feel so embarrassed. So my friend gave me her straightener, so we're trying to fix it that way, but not going great.